In this video I will show you how to trade with pocket option. I already made a trade 2 minutes ago and I will make another trade, another short trade, and I will go in here directly. I say the price will go down. I have to do this quickly. And I opened the trade here in the US dollar Japanese yen. You see here, my entry point is here, the strike price. And yeah, I choose the purchase time when the trade will finish. You see here, 2 minute trade and the price go down. And yeah, I set here $100 like in the last trade. I set here $100 and won $168 in profit. So this is a very easy trading strategy for me personally here. If we see the chart, this is a 1 minute chart, and that's how I do it on pocket option. I just do 2 or 3 trades per day with $400 and I'm completely fine. Yeah, I make a good profit, so that's enough for me. So this is my second trade today here. And yeah, you see I have time of 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yeah, my entry point. You can see this here is here, the red. And yeah, let's wait till the trade is finished. We are in a range. I will explain you that here shortly. You see it, I marked it here with this 2 lines, horizontal lines. We have here a resistance area above here and a support area below here, and the market is trending between these areas. Now the market goes back, and yeah, I'm out of the winning trade, so that's not so good. Maybe the market will fall. Okay, we have 30 seconds left, and now the trade goes into the loss. Okay, this is not a good example, but the last trade was in the profit zone. So let's wait. We have 10 seconds. Maybe we are lucky and we win this trade. 10 seconds. The market isn't moving here. 4 seconds, 3 seconds. And yeah, I'm lost this trade. It's a putt. That means I invested $100. I get back the $100. You see this here because the strike price was hit. And yeah, that's for binary options very important, that you minimum got 1 pip or 1 point in the win for your profit. So yeah, my second trade goes into the loss. And yeah, I will make another trade. I will wait here a second for my next trade and then choose it. The analysis should be clear. We are in an uptrend, but now we got a nice range here where the market is in the range, and maybe we got a correction in the price. Now I go in here. This is my signal to trade below. Okay, that was not so good, but I have time here for another 2 minutes, and I think the market will fall down in the next 2 minutes. Yeah, and the market can go below like here. Just wait, and now the market goes into the win zone. You see here the red line is my strike price, my entry price. I bet here $100, and if I win a $78 profit. So we have another 1 minute and 20 seconds. So we always have to wait, or we close this trade before. We can close it before 2 minutes. And yeah, just wait it. And so this is my third trade today. 1 win, 1 putt, and the third trade should be in the win. And this is a very good example. Yes, god damn it, I win this trade. Very easy tactic here. If you see such range here, you can always do this trades like go short here above. I will make you I will make a screenshot what I mean, go short here and buy here. It's just as simple as that, and you can make a lot of money. Yeah, like me here with this. Yeah, I just do 2, 3, 4 trades per day with this tactic and I make profit in the market. Just simple technical analysis. And yeah, 50 seconds left. Okay, now the market comes back. Okay, this can be difficult for me. But yeah, the trade is in the win. Now I should win this trade. Yes, I won this trade and another profit, guys, another profit on pocket option. This is how you trade binary option with this tactic. I recommend it. Just use the chart, forget indicators, just use this ranges here in the chart. You can clearly see it here. This is the ranges. You see the lows, you mark the lows, you mark the highs and trade short here and trade long on the bottom. So easy it is, and that was my my 3 trades for today, which I done here. You see my profit, 2 profitable trades, and 1 trade was a putt. That's all what I want to show you in this video. Easy money with pocket option. And if you want to create an account, you will find the link in the description below. Yeah, you can start with a free demo account or with a small minimum deposit of $50. You see here the market goes more down, and yeah, there could be another trades here. Now the bottom is hit it, but I would not go short now here. Don't trade the breakout. Breakouts are so difficult for, in my opinion. Don't trade the breakout. Just do it like support and resistance areas and you will be very fine. Okay, that was my short trading session for today. Only 3 trades and I'm in the win. I make win here of more than $160 per day in just 5 minutes on the evening. You see the clock, and yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching and check out the description below my full review of pocket option, and yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.